Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know what you're thinking, Katie. I've been gone for 4 months, you guys, and I will have a separate video explaining the reasons why. But today's video, I just wanted to share with you how I'm decorating the outdoors because, as you know, the summer is getting closer. Spring weather is so beautiful here in New York right now, and it motivated me to kind of clean up my outdoors and decorate my front door. And this is what I'm sharing with you today. If you want to see how I did all of this, keep on watching this video. So guys, I had a budget of $150. I know I don't like working with budgets, honestly, but it's the best to keep yourself on track. So the first item that I picked up for this area was this gorgeous area rock. I picked it up at Burlington and it was $49.99. I knew that I wanted to go for a very neutral and very calm type of outdoor space so I could come and relax. I will be adding pop of color, but not too much. I picked up this gorgeous planter at HomeGoods for $24.99. I like how tall it is. I wish I would have found like a smaller version, like a lower version to go next to it. I didn't, but then I added this false plant that I got at Burlington, which it was $16.99. So I found the perfect pillows to go with my neutral theme, and I'm super excited because they were $20 for a set of two. You heard that right. I got this at HomeGoods, and guys, I'm gonna be linking everything that I use here or similar items for you guys to shop in case you like any of the items that I use on this video. I got this throw at HomeGoods for $16.99 as well. And now one of my favorite finds was this lanterns, you guys. They're so pretty. Burlington for $7 each. Haha, winning over here. To finish the look, I'm adding this beautiful tray that I picked up at Burlington. It was only $14.99, you guys, and it's super cute. I think it's perfect for outdoors. It's very rustic looking. I also added a plant, and that completed the look. So guys, this is how my space turned out. I think it is a perfect setup for my small outdoor space, and I love it. It was a beautiful day when I was cleaning, so I decided to have a glass of wine, which I'm obsessed about this Roscato wine right now. It tastes so good. But anyways, this is how everything looked. I'm super happy. Like I said, my husband loved it, and we love sitting here and watching Jaden play and reading a book and drinking wine. Guys, if you follow me on Instagram, then you saw this DIY already, but I wanted to share it here for those that don't follow me on Instagram. So I made this really pretty, very natural looking door wreath using items that I already had at home. And the best part is that I didn't glue anything to it. So everything is removable, so you could use the wreath whenever you want. So to tie my flowers, my florals, I use zip tie, as you can see me doing here on the video. And voila, I had a door wreath. Here's a small clip of me decorating the front door. So I'm using this beautiful rock that I got from Burlington, and I'm gonna layer it with this mat that I got from IKEA that cost me like $6.99, and I'm super happy how this area turned out. I also added some plants that I got at Burlington. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. I am so happy to be back. See you guys on the next video.